Also,
What the hell is this guy doing? Chill, bruh. Yep.
we're doing this. He's doing this.
I'll check that
I
out.
didn't film this too much. I have just been letting him do his thing.
I'm kind of just reinforcing all the spots that would potentially be affected by cracks. These are like directly on where the fuel tank straps sit. So we kind of put it's just a thin layer. You don't want to really put a thick layer because you're going to kind of change up the dynamics of how the fuel tanks tighten. But I think that looks pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks decent.
What the? Yo!
It looks like you baby powdered your.
Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
The crevices of your fuel tank.
Dude, look like I put some deodorant on armpits.
Yeah.
First step that we used here was the JB water weld. This is supposed to be gas and water resistant, so that's why we went for that. The main crack is right there. Oh, sorry. Main crack is right there, but I did both sides just in case. We did try to do like a plastic welding method. I bought this off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. It worked really well, but the only thing was that the material did not stick on the tank. We would kind of just like put it on there trying to melt it and then come right off. So as of right now, this is where we're sitting. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the second step. This is just going to be the JB weld right here. I'm just gonna mix it again, just apply a thin layer just to double seal up that crack. And then I'll sand everything down slightly, paint it with black, and then we'll see if it holds. Check back in. All right, so I just went ahead and applied the second step. It was just that JB weld. This stuff takes a long time to harden. You should really wait till the first layer hardens, to the fullest extent, and then apply the second layer. But it's cool. Come on, man. Go ahead and sand it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna paint it. And then we'll wait till next week, and it'll go right back in.
Clean it now.
Say goodbye, Ron.
Doses.
All right, after another coat of paint, this thing is gonna go ahead and be placed into storage. I'm gonna get back out here next week and install it. But other than that, I'm hoping that holds, and I'm hoping that we successfully saved this 240SX gas tank. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next week.